Welcome to our exploration of the captivating world of vintage timber. As we journey through the rustic charm and timeless elegance of revived wood, we will discover how these beautiful materials can seamlessly blend into modern decor. Whether you're an experienced DIY enthusiast or just beginning to breathe new life into your home, this video will inspire you with innovative ideas and practical tips that elevate your living spaces. In a world that increasingly leans towards sustainability, the use of reclaimed wood stands out not just for its eco-friendliness, but also for the rich stories it carries. Each piece of vintage timber possesses a unique history that adds character and warmth to contemporary spaces, highlighting the beauty of nature's imperfections. From stunning furniture to decorative accents, incorporating revived wood into your home decor not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also supports a greener planet. In this guide, we'll delve into various creative ways to beautifully showcase vintage timber, transforming everyday spaces into inviting havens filled with charm and personality. One of the most impactful methods of introducing vintage timber is through custom furniture pieces. Imagine a coffee table crafted from reclaimed barnwood or a dining table constructed from repurposed oak planks. These unique items not only serve practical purposes, but also become conversation starters, with their distinct textures and histories enriching your living environment. Custom-made furniture pieces allow you to tailor designs that resonate with your personal style, providing a perfect balance of functionality and beauty. Creating an accent wall with reclaimed wood can serve as a stunning focal point in any room. Whether you opt for full wall cladding in weathered planks or prefer a subtler approach with a smaller section, the warmth of wood can create an inviting atmosphere. You can mix and match different types of wood for added texture and visual interest, turning a simple wall into a work of art that captures the essence of rustic charm while enhancing modern decor. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood can beautifully blend both storage and style. Installing rustic shelves in your kitchen, living room, or study provides an excellent way to display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. This practical solution allows you to showcase cherished belongings while enjoying the natural beauty of the wood. Consider using reclaimed wood for floating shelves to give your space a clean and airy feel that stands out against minimalist decor. Don't underestimate the impact of unique lighting fixtures made from reclaimed wood. Pendant lights, chandeliers, or even bedside lamps can take on a character of their own when constructed from vintage timber. These fixtures not only illuminate a space but also add warmth and a touch of rustic charm, enhancing the overall ambience. You can either craft these pieces yourself or source them from artisans who specialize in repurposing materials for stylish and functional designs. Incorporating small touches of reclaimed wood can make a big difference in your decor. Wooden picture frames, coasters, or candle holders crafted from salvaged wood add subtle elegance without overwhelming your space. These accents are both affordable and easy to integrate, providing ample opportunities for personal expression. They serve as conversation pieces, encouraging guests to engage with your decor while appreciating the craftsmanship involved. Replacing traditional doors with reclaimed wood options can instantly elevate your home's aesthetic. Whether you're using them as interior doors or for sturdy entryways, these unique pieces add a layer of history and distinctiveness that standard doors lack. Their imperfections often tell a story that enhances your home's overall character. Choosing to use reclaimed wood doors also ensures that your space embraces eco-friendly practices while standing out with a timeless appeal. Introduce an organic touch to your decor with planters made from old wood. Whether you create large outdoor planters or smaller indoor versions, these rustic containers beautifully frame your plants while bringing an earthy vibe into the space. You can design planters that suit your style, whether they're minimalist or ornate, allowing your green friends to take center stage while complementing the vintage aesthetic. One of the most exciting aspects of using reclaimed wood is its versatility. Pairing vintage timber with sleek metals or glass elements can create a contemporary look that still feels warm and inviting. The contrast between rough and polished surfaces introduces dimension and depth into your decor, creating an aesthetically pleasing balance that intrigues the eye. By skillfully blending these materials, you can achieve a modern rustic aesthetic that feels both fresh and timeless. Embrace your creativity by diving into DIY projects with vintage timber. Building your own furniture or decor pieces allows you to personalize each item to reflect your style. Whether it's a simple bench for your entryway or intricate wall art, personalizing these projects lets you express your creativity and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting something unique to your space. Additionally, DIY projects can be a fun activity to share with family and friends, turning home improvement into a collaborative and enjoyable experience. Don't overlook the bathroom when considering wood decor. Using reclaimed wood for sink vanities, shelving, or wall accents can transform a sterile environment into a serene retreat. Wooden elements in the bathroom add warmth and create a spa-like atmosphere, offering a soothing contrast to traditional tiles and ceramics. Carefully selected pieces can bring nature indoors, enhancing your daily rituals with a touch of rustic luxury. Integrating revived wood into your decor isn't just about aesthetics. It presents an opportunity to tell stories. Each piece may have a history connected to its environment, culture, or craftsmanship. Sharing these stories with guests enriching their experience and deepening their appreciation for your decor choices. By embracing the narrative behind each item, you cultivate a more authentic and meaningful living space. Reviving old wood offers a unique avenue for creativity and sustainability in home decor. Whether you choose to integrate reclaimed timber through furniture, small accents, or more substantial projects, each piece contributes character and warmth to your living space. As we wrap up this exploration of vintage timber, we encourage you to experiment with these ideas to breathe new life into your home. Embrace the beauty of the old while enjoying the modern comforts of today, and transform your surroundings into a celebration of both history and personal style. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of innovative ways to incorporate vintage timber into modern decor. Reviving old wood not only enhances the beauty of your space, but also promotes sustainability and environmental awareness. If you found these ideas inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more creative decor tips and DIY projects. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may be looking to bring a touch of rustic charm into their homes. Your support helps us keep creating content that inspires and informs.